Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll be showing you how I whiten my yellow teeth using just ingredients that you can find in your kitchen. The first ingredient you need is a lemon, then a baking soda, ginger, then your toothpaste. So let's get started. First of all, you want to go ahead and take your ginger, then you clean off the skin. I won't be using all of this, so I'll just cut a little bit of this. You want to peel off the skin. You want to go ahead and grate that. You don't want to grate a large amount of ginger. You just want to do grate what you use once. You keep that aside. Then you take half a lemon. You want to squeeze that into then now you take your baking soda and take half a teaspoon. You want to go ahead and mix all of that. When you get that, you want to take your toothbrush, you take your paste, or you can just mix the toothpaste in it, but I'll just take my toothbrush, just like that. You want to just go ahead and start brushing. You want to brush this like for 10 to 15 seconds. Guys, after rinsing my mouth, you can see that. Check that out. This remedy, you don't want to abuse it. You want to do it twice a week, depending on how yellow your teeth are. But if your teeth are not too yellow, you just want to do it once a week. On my channel, I do home remedy, makeup, and DIY wigs. So if you like content like this one, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And if this video is of help to you, give me a thumbs up and leave your comment in the comment section below. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.